First we gotta get the skid steer and move it over to the house, because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use the forks on it to dismount the tire. I like to do that, and then I'll come back and get the service bed. So Rocket's cleaning the pickup with his magic eraser snow. Right? Snow is not melted yet. Still cold. It's not very, I mean the sun's out so it feels good, but yeah, it's still chilly. What's it, froze up? Just needed to dismount my tire. I guess I could just unhook that and take the service bed first. Well, the track's froze up on the skid steer. I need to go get the service bed. Man, I need somebody to back me up. Hey! I need your help. I need you to help me open the gate and back up to the trailer. Out to the pasture.
Out in the pasture?
Yeah, out in the pasture.
Okay, I'm gonna back you up.
Yeah, and I need you to help me back me up to the service bed. Are you riding on the back or the front?
Back.
Alright, get on. On, sir, cringe. Are you on?
Yes.
Mini cringe?
Yes.
You better hang on.
Going.
You better hang on. Well, one of them probably better stay with Dad. I think he probably needs some help. Hey, Cassius.
What?
You better stay with Grandpa. He needs your help. Let's see if he gets it unstuck this time. He's pouring water on it. Let's see. That's wanting to. There it is. He got it. You ready? So, anyhow, make it out here to Dad's hangar, half finished hangar. Get the service bed. Jeez, hopefully I don't get stuck and I can get out of here. Oh. How's she look, boys? How's it look? Huh? Stuff in the way. Yeah, serious junk in the way. Oh my gosh. Here you go, Rocket.
What?
Just hold that and watch us. So everybody can see us move all this junk out of the way.
Oh my.
Gotta tell the camera.
Well, we're moving the dunk out of the way. We're back in the tool trailer up, as you can see.
Hey, what else we got as a problem that you can see?
Well,
Other than this, what else needs to get moved?
why is there only a little hole? It's supposed to be a big hole.
I think you got your hands on the problem right now. Yeah.
These need moved.
Correct.
Nothing is happening. I never knew it could do that. Ooh, that was close. Wow. That is a close. Driving in my old Scout. Grab it, hold it. Get it. Yeah, I don't know. There I go.
Well, our mail lady's stuck, so let's pull her out. Here, stand back. Yeah, quite the weather we're having.
Yeah, it's special, isn't it?
All right, that ought to come on up. How long you been? Oh,
No, 5 minutes or something. I haven't been here long.
I don't know.
Well, no, I'm tickled you came by.
That's fine.
Here, please take that.
No,
please, please, please.
No, I'm
yes.
not. I would.
Please.
No,
take
no,
it.
no,
Yes.
no. Not doing that.
Please.
No, it's fine. It's no big deal.
Well, thank you very much for doing that.
I
don't know how they think we're going to get to those boxes.
I don't
July.
know. I don't know. You need me to put it in there? You got the mail?
No, I'll do it. Please take this.
I'm not taking that. That's
Well,
fine.
thank you very, very, very much.
You're very welcome.
Bye,
No problem.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Whoa.
That's good? Yep. Let it down. It should be warm. Dad let it sit here and idle for a long time before he ever shut it off, so. Otherwise, cold times like this, well, and any time, you know, always good to let machines warm up good before you go to moving and using. You let them fluids get circulated and warmed up, especially on a day like today. Now what's he gonna do? Boy. I guess he got it. Just leave it running. Alright, well, we'll just take this over to the house and get started changing the tire. What do you say?
Yep.
Or do you think we ought to get started? Look, there's Duke and Grandpa. What are you doing, Duke?
It's sleeping all day.
Huh?
Up.
Huh?
He said he saw Optimus Prime.
You saw Optimus Prime?
Yeah.
Really?
Up by my.
Oh, what well, we had to pull the mail lady out earlier because she got stuck up there, and the snow drifted so bad around my neighbor's mailboxes that she's not going to be able to get in there for several days. They can't get their mail, and we decided we'd coming right by here anyway, and we got the skid steer running, so we're just gonna go ahead and clear that off right quick so she doesn't have to get stuck anymore. It won't take us but a minute anyway. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get that done. Duckerman wants to ride with me, so you want to ride on the skid steer?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.